coming at you, cruising around in the diesel bomber. I'm going to show you why they call these Detroit diesels the diesel bombers. We're going to do a little sound check. Ready? Here we go. Yeah, boy. That's what they call them, the diesel bombers. I was reading up a couple forums, and in particular it was called diesel bombers. And well, I was like, why do they call them diesel bombers? Well, if you ever seen a 6.2 start up, they kind of hiccup and kaput and hiccup, and all of a sudden just they blow out a bunch of smoke, and the next thing you know, they're roaring to life, just kind of like the old Mustang fighter jets and stuff like that. But and also the sound that they make. They make an incredible sound. Sometimes it drives me crazy, but other times I really enjoy it. It's just something about them. But we're gonna do another sound check here. All right, here we go. Get this other viaduct. I'll show you why they call these things the diesel bombers. Ready? Here we go. Oh boy, you know what it felt like probably to fly around in a plane back in the day, the freaking goggles on, the scarf, you know, and the leather hat. You can only imagine this is probably what it was like. Just having a high compression engine, just roaring, straight pipes, pretty much what I'm running. Side pipes and glass packs. So here we go again. Dive bomb. Oh yeah. See, ever since I turned up that fuel pump, I'll tell you what, turned it up just a little more than a 16th of a turn, and you know, I gained a lot more torque, and that's all I wanted. Like I said, I'm not trying to make a dragster, although it does sound like one. All I was trying to do was just achieve a little more torque, so that when I'm at expressway, you know, it doesn't have to kick down, or if I'm pulling a small trailer or something like that, I don't have to worry about it. Here we go. That sound awesome. Well, I better stop doing it before I don't have diesel, before my diesel bomber goes kaboom. But this is Banshee Fever 750. Just wanted to give you another little sound check, little follow up on the Isuzu Trooper. It's a 2002 Isuzu Trooper with a Detroit diesel 6.2 liter V8 in there. High compression, running like 20 to 1 or 21 to 1 compression. So it's pretty awesome, dude. Fuel economy with the 430 gear in the back, been averaging 19.7, 19.75. Ever since I turned up the fuel pump, I haven't checked it, but I've been having a little too much fun stepping on the throttle, so it won't be an accurate reading. Anyways, let's see. So that's pretty much all I got to cover here. Banshee Fever 750. Gonna leave you with that sound check. I'm gonna leave you with one more shot. Here we go. Oh, I didn't open my other window. Oh well. We're gonna have to see if we find another viaduct up here. Anyways, Banshee Fever 750. No viaducts in sight. So, bombs away. Diesel bombers. It's a pretty cool website. I've got a lot of information from those guys, and you know, that's definitely, that name holds true for this engine. It's diesel bomber. But, let's see if I can get some side sound for you. One more shot. Ready? Here we go. Oh yeah, that's awesome. All right, Banshee Fever 750. We get back to the driving. Over and out.